Namaste everyone. I welcome all of you to the wonderful, beautiful world of C language programming. So we shall start right away with a program. So this will be our first program. Here I have so many lines, so many symbols, words, statements, etc. This is a hash symbol or pound symbol. This is less than, greater than. A pair of parentheses I have, then a pair of braces and forward slashes and stars. Okay, I have so many lines and words. I will be explaining each and every concept in detail, and they are very simple to understand. Okay, so the purpose of this first program is to print a message or text or a string on the screen. Our laptops or our desktops, they have a screen which is an output device. So here this is a very simple program. This main is a function. Is it anywhere related to the concept function of mathematics? No, only a small similarity is there. Otherwise this concept is very much different from the mathematics concept of functions. So here C language function, it has a functionality. Okay, a C language function has got a functionality. Now what is the functionality of this main function? It prints a message on the screen or monitor. Okay, here whenever we write a function name, the name of the function is main. Here whenever we write a function name, we follow it with a pair of parentheses. Sometimes the parenthesis will be empty. In other cases it will have something written. So here hash include stdio.h. The next line I have void main. Void main is a function that has a functionality. A function performs a task. Here I am writing the main function to print a string of text. Okay, to print a message on the screen. Here the message that I am printing on the screen is hello world. I am not printing \n. Okay, this \n is to take the cursor to the next line. If you have to print something else, that will be printed on the next line. I will explain later the importance of /n. Okay, this is \n. This is also called \character constant. Here forward slash and star, this is used to write comments. These comments are not executed by the processor. Every computer has a CPU or the processor. Whatever we write inside a program will be executed by the processor. Here I have written something in between slash star and star slash. These are comments. They are for documentation purpose. To better understand the statements in the program, we write these statements, these comments. Okay, they are not executed and they will not generate any output. Okay, every program will have an input and output. This is basically the program to write a message on the screen. It has got only one line, printf. Printf is another function. As I have already told, main is a function. Now printf is also a function, and the pair of parentheses, it encloses a message within double quotes, a pair of double quotes, opening double quotes and the closing double quotes. So we execute and see the output. In the next session I'll demonstrate that. This is an explanation of our previous program, the first program. You take any textbook or an English novel. It comprises of various chapters. Each chapter will have many paragraphs. Paragraph will have statements. Statements will have words, and words will have letters from the English alphabet. 26 letters. So a chapter in a textbook is equivalent to a C program. Just like a chapter will have many paragraphs, a C program will have one or more functions. Main function is a must. Okay, whatever C program you write, main must be there, and it is a user defined function or programmer defined function because we will be writing code inside the main function. And in C language we use the same word statements. A function will have many statements. In our first program, our main function has got only one statement, that is printf, which prints a message or text on the screen. In English we have statements that comprise of words. Here in C language, statements will have identifiers, and these identifiers are composed of symbols from the C alphabet. C alphabet will have digits 0 to 9 from the decimal number system. It will have 26 letters from the C, 26 letters from English alphabet, and various other special symbols or special characters for performing various operations. Okay, here main is a function that I have already explained. A function will have a functionality. A function performs a task. In the previous program we had two functions, main function and printf function. Printf prints the message, whereas main function, it calls the printf function. It takes the help of printf function to print a message on the screen. And main is the function where the execution of the program starts. When you run the program, the execution starts at main function, because very big C programs will have multiple functions. Some functions are written outside main function, so there will be a confusion which function the execution will start, from which function the execution will start. Okay, the execution of the program always starts at the main function. And printf is a built-in function. We have two kinds of functions, user defined functions and built-in functions. Printf, we are not writing the code, we are just taking the help of printf. This printf function is available in stdio.h. okay, that's why we are including that header file. Operating system will have so many files with so many extensions. A text file will have .txt. If it is Microsoft Word, it will have docx as the extension. Here header files will have .h extension. Header files will have predefined or built-in functions. So /n is a new line character. The printing will continue from next line. So welcome to the second program. This is another very simple program. This prints multiple lines of text on the screen. In the previous program, in the first program, we have printed a single line, one line on the screen. Here we will be printing multiple lines. First line will be Namaste everyone, second line will be have a nice day, and the third line will be welcome to the beautiful world of C programming. I print these lines, I print these messages on different lines using /n. So as usual we are including stdio.h because we are calling the printf function. Main function is calling printf function 3 times. First time we are printing Namaste everyone. Then the next message have a nice day will be printed in the next line. If you remove /n, then Namaste everyone and have a nice day will be printed in the same line. For example, if you remove /n here, then all 3 messages will be printed on the same line. Okay, so with this we'll stop this session here. In the next session I will demonstrate these two programs. Thank you.